Alright, there you have it. Pig's feet on the Weber Smokey Mountain. Skin facing down, water pan in there with no water as a diffuser, and I have one bottom grate open, two bottom grates closed, and the top one open. We're just gonna let this chill just like that. Alright guys, that's 1.5 hours in. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over and let these continue smoking. Alright, I'm gonna actually get these into a pan now with all the veggies and the pineapple, and we're gonna let these come up to some tenderness real good. Alright, so far I have all the veggies and the pineapples on the bottom part of this pan. I got a stick of butter in there, and then I got the pig's feet right on top of all that. We're gonna foil this up. We're gonna let that sit for about half hour, maybe even an hour. Then we're gonna come back, mix it, add our barbecue sauce, and let it just get to tenderness, get to falling apart from that point. We have everything mixed in now. We've got the veggies and the pineapples, and we got the pig's feet with the whole bottle of Phil's barbecue sauce. We're gonna go ahead, seal this back up, and this thing's gonna probably sit here for another couple hours or even more until this thing is break apart tender. It's already kind of man. Oh man, you guys got to look at this. This is 1 more hour in, so 2 hour total, sealed up like this, wrapped. And this thing, let me see something. Look at that. Look at this. Oh man. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, there you have it. Smoked pig's feet with pineapple, bell peppers, onions, and jalapenos on top of a bed of rice. Check that out. And let me just say, that is tender. Look at that. It is sticky tender. Look at it. Oh yeah. Mmm. Damn it, dude. Holy crap. Hella good. Alright. It's time to dig into this. I'm going to have to see you guys another time with another recipe and another smoke section. Another smoke session. Damn, that's good. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that notification button. Every time I get a video out here, you guys will be notified. Peace.